Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we will attempt to find the prime factorization of the number 252, and I will show you two different methods. Alright, so the factor tree method, when we do prime factorization, we do look back at the number, and if you look at the top of the screen, you will see that I have already listed the first few prime numbers, and we always start with the smallest, 2. And 252 divided by 2 will give me 126. It is an even number, meaning I still can divide by 2. And that will give me 63. It can no longer be divided by 2. And therefore, I move on to the next prime number, which will be 3 in this case. That will give me 21, and still can divide by 3 and give me 7. At this point, I stop because I have succeeded in breaking the 252 into all its prime numbers, the factors. So 252 is actually equals to 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 7, 2 power 2, 3 power 2, 7. Now, if I use the other method, it should give me back the same answer. I divide by 2. 126 divided by 2. 63 divided by 3. 21. And yes. And for this method, the answer is all here. And it does give me back the same answer. Two power 2 times 3 power 2 times 7. And so that will be the final answer. We have come to the end of this video, so if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.